Suppandi, we're going to learn how to play football. Are you familiar with the rules?
No, sir. That's why I have come to you to learn.
Clearly. Well, the aim of the game is to put the ball in the goal. Can you do that?
Of course, sir. That was easy. I think I'll be very good at football.
No, Suppandi. The game is called football. Foot. You have to use your feet to put the ball in the goal.
Let me try again. Is that right now, sir?
Yes. No, Suppandi. That's wrong. That was a handball.
But you just said it's called football. This is very confusing.
So you like using your hands, huh? We'll have to make you a goalkeeper.
No, sir. I can't keep the goal. I don't have space in my house for it.
Suppandi, stop making jokes. Okay, now let's learn some other rules. Now, if you cause someone to fall down, it's a foul, and you get a yellow card. If you make someone fall again, you get a red card, and you have to leave the field.
Such colorful cards. Are we playing Uno? I'll play a draw 4. Now you give me 4 cards.
Suppandi, you are going to kill me. Come on, just join the rest of the group. We are playing a match. Just stand near the goal and remember what I've taught you.
And there's 1 minute to go.
Great work, Suppandi! Come on! We have 1 minute to score. 1 goal and we win.
Goal! We win! We win! It was so easy. Oops! I made the coach fall down. I think that's a yellow card. Oh no! I made him fall down again. It's a red card. I guess I have to leave. Well, at least we won. Yeah! Oops!
Come on now, hurry up. We have 4 rides to get on.
Huh?
Rides? No. Rides are scary.
Oh, Shambhu, there's nothing to be afraid of. It's just a roller coaster.
Fine. You go ahead and stand in the line. I'll join you. Aha! A park. Just what I need to relax. Ah! Oh, wait. This is just a rowboat. Finally a bench. I'll just sit here and hide and let Shanti finish off her ride. Oh, it's time to get back to Shanti. These robot dinosaurs are so realistic. They're a little too realistic. Stop it! I wasn't trained to catch dinosaurs. On guard! Stop it! Bad robo! Security! Shanti is here. Thank God. Just a dream. It was just a dream. Ah!
Shambhu! Shambhu, are you alright?
Don't let him go. Don't let him go. He'll attack all of us.
You off! This was your plan to hide from me!
Shambhuji, you have rearranged the dinosaur skeleton to look like a caveman. What an artist you are.
Huh? What?
Don't be so modest. For your skill, we are going to give you a year of free rides.
1 whole year of rides! Oh, Shambhu, you are the best!
Well, I guess the saying is true.
What saying?
Life is a roller coaster. Suppandi, I need you to send some mail for me.
Some mail? But I don't see any men standing around here.
Not male, Suppandi.
Then female?
No.
Email?
No. I need you to send a letter.
Oh, which letter, uncle? A, B, C, or D?
Suppandi, stop it. Just take this envelope to the post office and tell the clerk it needs to reach as soon as possible.
Hello. This needs to be sent as soon as possible.
Okay. We will have to send it by air.
By air? Then why am I at the post office? I should have gone to the airport.
No. We send it from here. Now, do you have the address?
Ma'am, I'm a man. Why would I have a dress?
Not a dress. Address. Forget it. Just take this letter, stamp it, write your name, and put it in that box outside.
Well, that sounds easy. Thank you.